Leadership isn't just for the boardroom. It's born in the workshop, the factory floor, firehouses, law enforcement and first response units, hospitals, primary and emergency care facilities. The front lines where the metal meets the meat. Fostering leadership speaks directly to the frontline worker, those who lead by example. The Vanguard leaders who don't just talk about teamwork, but live and build it every day. Each chapter of Fostering Leadership focuses on leadership through action. This book dives into the power of being present, showing how leading from the trenches fosters respect, trust, and innovation. It's not about holding a title, it's about stepping up when it matters most. This book equips you to inspire your team by leading with integrity, clarity, and purpose. For the hands-on leaders who roll up their sleeves and get it done, Fostering Leadership gives you the strategies to connect with your team, handle challenges, and drive success. Because fostering Vanguard leadership isn't just about leading from above, it's about standing shoulder to shoulder with your team. Fostering Leadership, your guide to building respect, earning trust, and creating lasting impact. What are you waiting for? Get your copy today. Available at shortbeardpublishing.com or on Amazon.